चाय एंड चूरन पे हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं OTT रिलीजेस फ्रॉम दिस वीक। वेल, लास्ट वीक हमने बात की थी ग्राम चिकित्सालय के बारे में, जो कि Amazon प्राइम वीडियो पे है। I got to see this amazing feel-good series. It's from the makers of Panchayat, starring Amol Parashar, and I loved his performance. Not only that, जो supporting cast है यानी कि विनय पाठक, जिनका surprisingly काफी छोटा सा रोल है, and इंदु जो which is played by गरिमा विक्रांत सिंह. Her performance is just brilliant. मतलब it will make you laugh, it will make you cry. It's got the warmest, sweetest moments, and the best part is कि उन्होंने health care के concerns दिखाए हैं rural area में, but at the same time it doesn't sound too preachy. It just sounds very very relatable and very sweet. So if you haven't caught it yet, catch it now on Amazon Prime Video. First up on Jio Hotstar is Hai Junoon. This stars Boman Irani and Jacqueline Fernandez along with Neil Nitin Mukesh and Siddharth Nigam. ये एक दो डांस कंपटीशन के बारे में है and it's got a lot of fun stuff. जैकलीन फर्नांडिस और बोमन ईरानी दो कॉम्पिटिटिव डांस कंपटीशन में पार्ट ले रहे हैं एंड बेसिकली देयर आर टू टीम्स. इट्स अ वेरी हाई स्टेक्स कंपटीशन और उसमें बिट्रेयल भी है, एम्बिशन भी है, बिहाइंड द सीन और कुछ खिचड़ी पकड़ी है एंड दैट टेंड्स टू टेक द स्पॉटलाइट समटाइम्स ओवर द डांस. So it's going to be an interesting, love-hate relationships wala, lots of dance in this kind of reality competition format, but at the same time you'll get to see great performances and good dancing. It's going to be something different. So I'm really looking forward to this dance competition on Jio Hotstar. American Manhunt, Osama bin Laden. This is a docu-series coming on Netflix. Now this is very relevant right now क्योंकि जो हमारे न्यूज़ में चल रहा है, people are really interested कि intelligence कैसे gather होती है. In this 3-part docu-series, you will get to know कि decade long जो ओसामा बिन लादेन को उन्होंने ट्रैक किया था, उनके जो hidden archival footage था, जो उनका investigation था, कुछ CIA interviews थे जो अभी तक पब्लिक के सामने नहीं आए थे, उनमें एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था और कैसे उन्होंने ओसामा बिन लादेन को अबोटाबाद में पकड़ा था. So this is going to be very interesting for all those who are interested and following the news right now and are interested in getting to know more about how these terrorists or this particular terrorist was caught after the 2011 incident. Next up is Mara Namas. This is a Malayalam film that recently released in the theaters. ये आप देख सकते हैं Sony Live पर. It stars Basil Joseph. यहाँ पे the protagonist is Luke, who is an influencer who gets caught in a sort of a serial killing scam. Basically लोगों को लगता है कि वो serial killer है जो elderly men को target कर रहा है and he is known as the banana killer. And then there's a strange bus ride with his ex and along with some other strangers, and it leads to a lot of comedy, a lot of black comedy, thriller and chain of events that actually ends up culminating in him clearing his name. तो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग प्लॉट है, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग स्क्रिप्ट है. If you're a fan of Malayalam films, that this is the one to watch on Sony Live. Next up is Murderbot on Apple TV Plus. If you're a fan of sci-fi, then this action sci-fi drama is going to be really up your alley. Starring Alexander Skarsgård, this one is about a security android that is hacked, and it's basically protecting a research team from a hostile environment. It's tired of its corporate servitude, and it's also watching its favorite soap opera in secret. So it's going to have some dry wit. It's got reluctant heroism, and it's really for the people who love sci-fi and want to see something different in this genre. So catch it on Apple TV. Next up is Overcompensating on Amazon Prime Video. Now this is a semi-autobiographical comedy जहाँ पे Benny Skinner is gone to Yates University. He's closeted and his sister and her boyfriend are helping him pretend to be straight. There are hookups, there are frat pressures, there are fake IDs, everything that comes with college life or rather American college life, and it's going to be funny, it's going to be super comic. So catch it on Amazon Prime Video. So I've been hearing a lot of stuff about the Royals, and to be honest, I saw one or two scenes बट इट सीम वेरी फेक टू मी, तो मैंने पूरा देखा नहीं. बट अगर आपने द रॉयल्स देखा नेटफ्लिक्स पे, तो let me know what your opinion is. Should I watch it? Should I skip it? Let me know in the comments below. On Chayan Churan, we bring you the weekly OTT releases ताकि आप जान सकें कि इस वीकेंड आप क्या देख सकते हैं और क्या skip कर सकते हैं. And this time, for the first time, we actually got you Gram Chikitsalay 2-line review as well. So we are going to continue this. Let us know in the comments section what you think of our recommendations और आप क्या और चाहते हैं कि हम इसमें add करें. Until next time, bye bye.